This is Cameron from Nuclear Monkeys Airsoft team, and I'm here to do a review on the Stinger P30T. It's the gun from the set, the Stinger set from Crossman. This was my very first pistol. It's 270 feet per second. I would not recommend this to anyone other than like first guns because it's really not much accuracy at all. The one good thing is I use it, but I mean, you know, it's not my favorite thing to use. If I do, and I barely ever use it. Easy disassembly, it's spring, and it's pretty simple layout of it. And I've really, I didn't even really use it when I first got my first gun because I was so wrapped up in the shotgun. It just uses a little pin to put in, and then you twist it and lock it. If it does go in, it's a little bit of a pain sometimes. There we go. And slide safety, red fire off. Pretty loud gun. Because I mean it's not very good for a pistol because you're going to be right up next to them, but it also doesn't matter sometimes with CQB. And the stock clip that comes with it's just a cheapo clip, lightweight. Gun's a good, solid plastic. I mean, very sturdy. I shoot 12s with it, and that's what shoots at 275. 12 rounds in here, which is average, I guess. And the clip release is a little button on the side, so it's right by the thumb. So when you're standing like this, you can just take it and like clip drop and such. And basically that's it. If you want me to do any, oh, hold on a second. This is the Crossman basic, really cookie cutter holster. Holds one mag. Well, if you really wanted, you could hold two in all if you wanted to have your gun loaded while you were playing. But yeah, and that's the holster. It's Velcro. Really sort of simple. It's very sturdy when you're playing, I think, with my setup. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you want me to do anything, any other tutorials, it doesn't just need to be reviews. I'll try and do it. And if I can't, then I'll tell you. Please comment, like, subscribe, whatever you can. I'm really trying to make this channel grow. And I'm here for the cheaper airsofter. And once again, this is Cameron from Nuclear Monkeys Airsoft. And have a nice day.